Hello, and welcome to our training series on Quality Assurance in Textile and Garments Manufacturing. In today's video, we will talk about Module 17, Common QA Challenges and how to overcome them. In this video, you will learn why challenges happen in QA. Challenge 1, Miscommunication between departments. Challenge 2, Time pressure and missed inspections. Challenge 3, Lack of training. Challenge 4, No standardized defect classification. Challenge 5, Resistance to QA processes. Challenge 6, Inconsistent QA across multiple units. Challenge 7, Lack of root cause analysis. Why challenges happen in QA. Fast production timelines. High volume orders. Inconsistent supplier quality. Miscommunication between departments. Lack of training and unclear SOPs. Resistance to change in factory processes. Challenge 1, Miscommunication between departments. Example: QA team finds fabric defect during inspection. Production says they were not informed earlier. Delay and blame follow. Solution: use a cross-department checklist. Conduct daily QA production huddles. Share SOPs and inspection results in real time. Challenge 2, Time pressure and missed inspections. Example: due to tight shipment deadlines, inline inspections are skipped. Final inspection reveals major stitching errors. Solution: integrate QA into production plan. Set buffer time for each quality check. Prioritize critical to quality points in fast-track orders. Challenge 3, Lack of training. Example: new line inspectors fail to identify puckering issue in collars. 300 pieces have to be reworked after final inspection. Solution: regular QA training using real garment samples. Use visual guides for defect categories. Pair new inspectors with experienced QA staff. Challenge 4, No standardized defect classification. Example: different QA inspectors mark the same sewing issue with different defect codes. Reports become confusing. Solution: create a standard defect classification manual. Conduct monthly review meetings to align all inspectors. Use photographs for each defect type. Challenge 5, Resistance to QA processes. Example: line supervisors see QA as slowing down production and sometimes ignore inline checklists. Solution: train supervisors on the business value of QA. Involve production team in root cause analysis. Reward lines with high first-time pass rates. Challenge 6, Inconsistent QA across multiple units. Example: Factory A uses strict shrinkage testing. Factory B does not. Final product quality varies between units. Solution: standardize all SOPs across units. Share test templates and equipment calibration methods. Assign QA coordinators to monitor factory-to-factory consistency. Challenge 7, Lack of root cause analysis. Example: same sleeve twisting issue appears every month. Only temporary solutions are applied. Solution: use 5 whys or fishbone diagrams to analyze problems deeply. Focus on prevention, not correction. Create a corrective action logbook reviewed weekly. Quick summary: Module 17. Every factory faces challenges. Good QA teams solve and learn from them. Effective QA requires communication, training, and teamwork. Use standard processes and visual tools to reduce confusion. Address root causes instead of treating symptoms. Collaboration with all departments is key to sustainable quality. Thank you for joining this training session. We hope you learned something valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in Module 18, Implementing ISO Standards in the Factory.